Taking a long-term approach in maximizing our limited land, going underground was one of the options that the urban planners undertook. We start this walking journey by entering CityLink Mall, Singapore's first underground mall. Bringing us all to the Capitol Piazza. This is the home to the historic Capitol Theatre. Walking down a little bit further is the Singapore Management University. Take a stroll and observe an underground city with 2 clinics, bookshops, food courts, and even a gymnasium where students strive to achieve their next level of education. Come face to face with the National Museum, Singapore's oldest, which showcases a progressive display of our history and culture. Winning the world's best transport building of the year in 2009 at the Bras-Basah MRT station is a home to 2 MRT lines, the Circle Line and the Downtown Line at a mesmerizing depth of 35 meters. The Waterloo Street is a home to Singapore Art Museum. And this is one of the streets in Singapore where you can find several religions, such as Jewish temple, Catholicism, and others. Admire heritage street murals as you stroll along Waterloo Street. This is the majestic Sri Krishna Temple that was established on Waterloo Street in 1870. It is the only South Indian Hindu temple in Singapore dedicated exclusively to Sri Krishna and his consort Rukmini. Another temple that is situated in Waterloo Street is Kuan Yin Temple. It is a traditional Chinese temple of significance to the Chinese in Singapore and is believed to bring worshippers good luck after praying to Kuan Yin or the Goddess of Mercy. A few steps away from these religious sites is the Albert Center Hawker Center beckons next hawker culture an integral part of the local way of life where people from all walks of life gather at hawker centers to dine and bond over their favorite foods. This is Bugis Street, was renowned internationally from the 1950s to the 1980s for its nightly gathering of transvestites and transsexuals, a phenomenon which made it one of the Singapore's top tourist destinations during that period. It is now built as the largest street shopping location in Singapore. This is the gate of hope. In the historical years, due to poverty, many babies were abandoned here for the Catholic nuns to look after. Chimes, Convent of the Holy Infant Jesus Middle Educational School, is a historic building complex in Singapore which began life as a Catholic convent known as the Convent of the Holy Infant Jesus. The complex has been restored in 1996 for commercial purposes as a dining, shopping, and entertainment center with ethnic restaurants, shops, and a function hall, providing a backdrop for musicals, recitals, theatrical performances, and weddings. With this walking tour for 2 hours around the area where I am working at, I have discovered a lot of informative knowledge. It is a walk of history to remember. A walk of history that will never erase the faces of yesteryears. A walk of history that will forever be there. A timeless walk of history that will always be remembered until the next generations.